Before last year, I wasn't a very big fan of the neutral color palette, but recently I've had a big change of heart, and today I'm going to show you a fully neutral spread using stickers from Sterling Ink as well as Daiso. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be deepening the lines that are already in the Hobonichi Weeks, and I'm using this Staedtler Triplus Fine Liner in brown. Brown is a much better or a much softer color than it would have been if it was dark black, so I feel like this is a much softer look. And I just made my YouTube section on the right side of the page by extending the daily section. So here I'm using the corner stickers from Sterling Ink, and if you'd like anything from her shop, make sure to use the code PAPER20 for 20% off. The brown boxes or squares are going to be for events. And I'm also marking my filming days using the corner stickers. And here is a sneak peek of Monday's video. I'm going to be using this Hobonichi kit from Sterling Ink in clear matte, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So here I'm just making the gold section by just making a simple box. That way it's going to be separate from the rest of the page, but at the same time, it still looks cohesive. So here I'm using some of the leftover script stickers such as the this week and the goals. And now I'm putting down to do to start off my to do or task list section. After that, I'm going to be putting down this glasses sticker, which is really nice, so adorable. I should have gotten more stickers of this kind because I have been using them very much lately. And then I'm putting down a gray square, which marks special events such as catching up with friends and maybe hanging out with my husband. And now I'm going to write on my planner using one of my favorite fountain pens, my Kaweco Sport Skyline in Mint. And the bottom box is going to be for my currently reading section. I'm reading 2 books right now, and I'll talk more about that in a bit. And now I'm marking my YouTube uploads, which is also signified by the corner sticker from Sterling Ink, so that when I look at my page, I know exactly if a day will be an upload day. It means it's a very special day. I upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday usually, but there will be an extra video next week. It's going to be about my reading journal, and I cannot wait to show that to you guys in case you are also reading a lot this year. I'm also marking some laboratory time for uni and uni work. And then I'm putting down this stark orange square, and I picked that out specially so that I can see it right away. There's only one day in the week that I will have appointments, and I wanted to make sure that I remember it by this brighter color. And then at the bottom for the square box, I'm going to have a video call with friends, and I'm very excited about that. And then this light, very light yellow box is for events that are low impact. That means that they will occur regardless of what I'm doing. So that means it's marking holidays, maybe paydays, and things like that. So I'm also writing down just the word film so I remember to film that day and I can arrange my schedule accordingly. And last thing, I'm going to write down my IG posts for my PR. And then I have my audiobook and my ebook for my currently reading section. And I've been enjoying reading lately, and I'm so glad that I got back into it. And this is the page complete. It's very simple, but there's a lot of little tricks that you learned today from this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.